So hello guys, today the topic we are covering is the types of motion and the chapter is motion. So the first type is linear motion. What is the linear motion? The object performing any motion in a straight line is called as linear motion. The example of this is shooting a bullet by the gun. अगर हमने बंदूक से कोई गोली फायर की तो वो गोली स्ट्रेट लाइन में जाएंगी, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? लिनियर मोशन. सो सेकंड टाइप इज सर्कुलर मोशन. द ऑब्जेक्ट इज मूविंग कॉन्स्टेंटली इन अ सर्कुलर पाथ इज कॉल्ड एज सर्कुलर मोशन. अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट कोई सर्कुलर पाथ में घूम रहा होगा, अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, जैसे कि एक स्ट्रिंग है, ये स्ट्रिंग को हमने पत्थर बांधा. अगर ये स्ट्रिंग है, स्ट्रिंग को हमने यहाँ पे पत्थर बांधा और ये स्ट्रिंग पूरे गोल गोल घुमाई. अगर ये स्ट्रिंग हमने घुमाई तो ये कौन सी मोशन होगी? सर्कुलर मोशन. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द सर्कुलर मोशन. देन द थर्ड मोशन इज ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. Third motion is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion means the to and fro of any object. To and fro of any object. To and fro means back and toward of any object. Back and toward of any object. We taking an example such as if you see pendulum. ये पेंडुलम है. अगर ये बॉब आगे पीछे घूमता है तो इसको बोलते हैं ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. पीछे और आगे, टू एंड फ्रो. ओके, सो दिस इज द ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. देन फोर्थ इज रोटेटरी मोशन. Fourth is rotatory motion. So what is rotatory motion? The rotatory motion is along a fixed axis. Along a fixed axis. Along a fixed axis. These are the example of rotatory motion. If you see the top is moving along itself. If this is top, this is the axis of this top, and the top moves along its axis is called as rotatory motion, and it move itself only. So this is the topic today we are covered is types of motion chapter. Then the second topic we are covering in today's lecture is equation of motion. Equation of motion. There are three equation of motion. First is v equals to u plus at. Second equation is s equals to ut plus half at square. And the third equation is v square minus u square equals to 2as. And we write the third equation also in the form of 2as equals to v square equals to 2as plus u square. When we use first equation, if there is v u a t, from these four elements, if there are present of three and we have to find out fourth, so we use the first equation. When we have to use second equation, there are four elements in second equation. If there are three elements are present and we have to find fourth element, then we use the second equation. And when we use third equation, if there is v, u, a and s, if there are four elements in this third equation, if they given the three elements out of this and we have to find out fourth, so we use third element. If in the first element the first element and third element is similar, but the t is replaced by the s in third equation. Okay, so this is our lecture about equation of motion and types of motion.